Hey guys, this is Sky495 here, reviewing a sunshade for your windshield of your car. So this is a particular design that you can easily fold it up into this tiny flat circular package, tie it up with this elastic band, and then just put it somewhere in your car, which is the main reason why I picked this up in the first place. This particular sunshade measures at 63 inches by about 34 inches, so you definitely want to measure the windshield of your car to make sure that this is compatible. For me, it didn't really fit perfectly with my Toyota Corolla, which is a subcompact car. As you can see, the edges kind of overspill a little bit, and that maybe also be in part because I didn't really put down my visors to help hold it up better. And that's really because the visors are being blocked by my oversized clip-on mirror here, which I definitely value a little bit more than the sunshade. But the sunshade definitely does do a decent job in keeping my steering wheel a little bit cooler than as it would be in direct sunlight. However, it's important to know that the purpose of a sunshade is to mainly block out UV rays, so it's not going to be able to prevent your car from heating up as it would normally anyway, especially since your side windows and obviously your rear windshield are exposed. So there's still many ways that your car can heat up. So you would buy this to protect the interior of your car from fading or cracking due to UV rays. So this is particularly beneficial for those of you who have more luxurious cars that have, say, leather linings. So this will help increase the longevity of your leather interior or dashboard. What I love most about this particular sunshade design is the fact of how easy it is to fold it down. As you can see, I'm putting it up in less than half a minute. And I can also take it down in less than half a minute too. It does come with a little sleeve that you could also store it in. But after using it extensively, I found that it's just much easier to not use the sleeve at all. Just fold it down and use the elastic band to hold the pieces together and just store it in the back of my passenger seat. So I think this is a really nice and expensive sunshade that's really practical to use. And I think most people don't use sunshades because they think that it might be a hassle to put up, but this one's definitely not the case. The only thing from preventing it from getting a better score is mainly I think that it could have done a little bit better job of keeping my car cooler. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Sky495, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Sky495. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Sky495. Thanks for watching.